Guess what, guys? Last night we heard a loud bang, and there was this tree that fell down because it was one of the windiest nights ever that we've had. It was this close of touching the fence, and this is the top of the tree. Our challenge today is to burn this entire tree down in our fire pit. Can we do it? If you like this challenge, like and subscribe. I'll go under. Woohoo! I got one. These are really big branches. Even this one.
Cool.
Hello.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Sadly, this tree is way too big. What? We have officially failed the challenge. Until next time, bye.
Bye. See you later.
Woo! Gotta try and get out.
Till next time.
God, this is so hard. I haven't lost this much energy, but I just lost.